Tiramisu. Is it better homemade or store-bought? Today I'm testing 3 different levels of tiramisu to see which one is truly the best. Stick around for expert insights. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today I'm comparing 3 different styles of tiramisu, from beginner, friendly, to gourmet level, to find out which version is the ultimate dessert. Let's get started. Level 1. Simple and quick. Tiramisu. Store-bought ladyfingers. Saves time and effort. Instant coffee soak. A shortcut instead of espresso. Whipped cream. Plus mascarpone mix. Light, fluffy, and easy to make. Final touch. Dust with cocoa powder and chill for a few hours. Flavor profile. Light, sweet, and beginner-friendly. Level 2. Classic Italian Tiramisu. Homemade ladyfingers. Gives a fresher, more authentic texture. Strong espresso soak with Marsala wine. Enhances depth of flavor. Mascarpone and sabayon cream. Rich custard made with egg yolks, sugar, and wine. Layered and chilled overnight. Allows flavors to fully develop. Flavor profile. Deep, complex, and true to tradition. Level 3. Gourmet Chef-Style Tiramisu. Handcrafted ladyfingers piped for perfect texture. Special soaking liquid, espresso, orange liqueur, and aged rum. Gelatin-stabilized mascarpone mousse. Ultra-smooth and velvety. Homemade chocolate ganache and cocoa dusting. Adds extra richness, flavor. Profile. Luxurious, well-balanced, and restaurant quality. Step 4. Taste, test, and verdict. Quick tiramisu. Great for beginners but lacks depth. Classic tiramisu. The perfect balance of richness and tradition. Gourmet tiramisu. The best texture, flavor complexity, and presentation. Final thoughts. Is the extra effort worth it? Which one would you choose? Now you know 3 ways to make tiramisu. Which level would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert dessert tips. Want to master more classic desserts? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert baking techniques.